and which device second. If two devices are sending the interrupt request at a time to the processor, then the processor is service the device which has highest priority. Okay, the priority levels are given to the devices. The priority levels are given to the devices depending on the speed of the device. We have to given the priority. Fast device, we have to given highest priority. For slow device, we have to give lowest priority. Okay. And yesterday we had discussed this block diagram. And to know the which device is requesting the which device is requesting the processor, the interrupt request lines INTR1 is the interrupt request line for first device. Similarly, INTR2 the interrupt request line for device 2, and last device P interrupt request for P3 device. Okay, different request lines are there in this diagram. Okay, in general, all the interrupt request lines are combined in a single line. That is interrupt request line. Mathematical interrupt request line are all combined to a single interrupt request line, and the processor knows when an interrupt is occurred to the processor. In this one, which device is requesting the interrupt signal is known by the processor. Very difficult. So we have to use different interrupt request lines. All these are connected to the priority arbitration processor lo unna priority arbitration circuit. Priority arbitration circuit ante yesterday I have discussed the priority encoder, same priority encoder, whereas in encoder you have to encode the bits. The 0 activate cheste the output 0 vastund. Similarly, first input activate aithe output will be 0 1. Third input activate aithe output will be 1 1. If at a time input are able, the two inputs, each input highest priority is encoded and the same logic we applied in the priority arbitration. Okay. Here INTR interrupt request of line 1, it will be 0 because it is a tone. Back to low 1, INTR must be 0. Then INTR will be activated and the processor knows the signal will be activated. So device is wanted to send the interrupt signal to the processor, INTR2 bar must be 0. Then INTR2 will be activated. The each device INTR to low signals kabatti signal must be 0 in order to activate the line. At high inputs aithe activate cheyadani logic 0, these signals will be activated. After receiving all the interrupt requests, at a time two devices are sending the signal. Device 3. Let us take device 1 and device 3 are sending the interrupt signal to the processor. If at a time two devices are sending the interrupt request lines, then these inputs will have priority. These inputs the inputs are giving the path level. This input highest and the last one is lower. Then two inputs are activated. Out of these two inputs, which input is highest priority? The zero input is last one is highest priority. So even though the device 1 and device 3 are sending the interrupt signals to the processor, device 1 INTR 1 signal, the input is highest priority కాబట్టి only INTA1 అంటే interrupt acknowledgement of first device, INTA2 అంటే interrupt acknowledgement for second device, interrupt acknowledgement 3 for third device. INTA for the two devices, INTR1 highest priority. So only INTA1 must be activated and INTA3 will be inactivated. Only INTA1 is activated and INTA inactivated. So each device will have first line a separate interrupt request and interrupt acknowledgement line. INTR bar ante request line, INTA1 ante acknowledgement line. Each device will have its own separate request line, acknowledgement line. Each interrupt request line is assigned a different priority level. Here INTR1 input is highest priority, INTR3 is lowest priority. Like I'm priority encoder lo 0 input highest priority, input ki highest priority istaru, last input ki lowest priority istaru. It's priority arbitration circuit. This is called priority arbitration circuit. Like priority encoder laga. And the request accepted. Device priority that will be accepted. Which interrupt request does the processor accept if it receives interrupt request from two or more devices simultaneously? Out of the two devices, if two or more devices send the interrupt signal at a time simultaneously and at a time. So, which interrupt request does the processor from two or more devices at a time? Two or more devices పంపిస్తే accept which request first. If the IO device are in the process interrupt request, which device, okay, then the accept interrupt request from device is out of the two devices, each device is priority that will be accepted by the processor. Each device has its own interrupt request. Each device will have its own interrupt request and interrupt acknowledgement line. Different patterns. However, request and device interrupt are sending interrupt signal. Instead, most devices are sending the interrupt signal. Then Okay, this is polling scheme. First one is polling scheme. If the processor uses a polling mechanism to poll the status registers of IO devices to determine which device is requesting an interrupt. Polling system already discussed it. The processor is inquiring the first device. If the device is sending interrupt signal or not. If the device is not sending interrupt signal, then goes for second device. Then again inquiring second device. If the second device is sending the interrupt signal or not. If the device is not sending the interrupt signal, then the processor goes to the third device. That means the processor is checking the one by one all the devices until the device is requesting the interrupt to the processor. ఏ డివైస్ ఇంటర్ప్ట్ పంపించింది ప్రాసెసర్ కి అది తెలుసుకునేంత వరకు the processor ఏం చేస్తుంది వన్ బై వన్ ఈచ్ డివైస్ In the polling scheme, the processor uses a polling mechanism to poll the status registers. దానికి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే చెక్ చేయడానికి స్టేటస్ రిజిస్టర్ ఆల్ ద డివైస్ విల్ హ్యావ్ స్టేటస్ రిజిస్టర్ in the status register the interrupt enable bits are there. If the bit is either 0 or 1, it checks the status register of all the devices whether this device is sending interrupt signal or not. Okay, the first device interrupt signal is 0, that is interrupt enabled input EI is 0, then it goes to the second status register of the second device. Here also the process checking the interrupt enables bit EI bit. If it is 0, then goes for third device. Like that, status register of the IO device will determine which device is requesting an interrupt. So that it inquires all the status registers of the device, which device is requesting the interrupt signal. Okay. In this case, the priority is determined by the order in which the devices are polled. Polling scheme, the priority levels are given by in which order they are inquired. ఏ ఆర్డర్ అయితే మనం ఎంక్వైర్ చేసామో దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రయారిటీ లెవెల్స్. The first device with status bit is set to 1. Is the device whose interrupt request is accepted. Okay. ఏ status register అయితే ఈ interrupt enable bit 1 అవుతుంది. That is the first interrupt request is accepted. That is polling scheme. Second one is daisy chain method. Daisy chaining method or daisy chain scheme. In the daisy chain scheme, the device are connected to the processor in a chain, daisy chain. This is called daisy chain. Okay, chain series connected to the processor in a chain. That's why it is called daisy. This method is invented by the daisy. That's why the name is called the chain method. And the devices are placed in the chain such that the device 1 has highest priority. Okay, the device 1 highest priority, and this line highest priority, and this line second highest priority, and third highest priority, fourth highest priority, and last one is least highest priority. The last line will be least highest priority. First one is highest priority. This is least priority. This is highest priority. First device. Chain lo the chain the device connected to first. మీరు ఏ డివైస్ యాప్ చేసుకోండి ఆ డివైస్ కి హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ వస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ చేసిన డివైస్ కి హైయెస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ, అండ్ సెకండ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసిన డివైస్ కి సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ, థర్డ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసిన డివైస్ కి priority, and first one is least priority device connected in the chain. Device 1 highest priority, device 2 priority, and device 3 the third priority, and so on. The device n least priority. And all the devices interrupt signals are combined. All the device interrupt request signals are combined. Interrupt request lines are combined to a single line called INTR bar. All the signals are combined. The single request INTR bar. Okay. If any device is sending the interrupt signal, the INTR bar will be 0 and this line will be activated, and the processor knows one of the device is sending the interrupt signal. Okay. Devices are connected to form a daisy chain. Devices are connected to form daisy chain. The devices are placed one after the other in a chain. Okay, like a chain. Chain la ఉంటుంది చూడండి, ఒకదాని తర్వాత కనెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తారు. And device share the interrupt request line and interrupt acknowledge line is connected to from a daisy chain. The interrupt request line share చేసుకుంటాయి, అలాగే interrupt acknowledgement line కూడా share చేసుకుంటాయి. In the previous method, all the device will have its own interrupt request lines, its own acknowledgement line. Here, they are sharing the acknowledgement signal as well as request signal. When the device raise an interrupt request, the interrupt request line will be activated. If any device is requesting, is wanted to interrupt the processor, then INTR will be 0 and it will be activated. The processor in response activates the interrupt acknowledgement signal. Okay, after receiving the interrupt request from any one of the device, it activates the interrupt acknowledgement signal. The processor activates interrupt acknowledgement signal, INTA. Received by the device 1. Okay. If now the concept is, if at a time two devices are sending the interrupt request to the processor. Let us take the device 3 and device 1. Both are sending the interrupt request. Then INTR will be 0. INTR will be 0. Then the processor knows an interrupt will be occurred. An interrupt will be occurred. And in response to the interrupt request line, the processor activates the interrupt acknowledgement signal. The processor activates the interrupt acknowledgement signal. Okay. The processor in response activates the interrupt acknowledgement signal. That is this one, last but one point. The processor activates interrupt acknowledgement. First device in the chain లో ఉన్న ఫస్ట్ డివైస్ 1. ఆ డివైస్ దగ్గర మీరు ప్రింటర్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఆర్ మోటార్ కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, కీబోర్డ్, ఎనీథింగ్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డివైస్ 1 highest priority and device n least priority. And the acknowledgement signal is activated and comes to the device, first device, that is priority device. The first device in the chain lo the interrupt acknowledgement signal అనేది send అవుతుంది. Okay, the processor will send the acknowledgement signal to the device 1. And the acknowledgement signal has two purposes. That is, whether the acknowledgement signal is transferred to the next device or it will be blocked by the device. Acknowledgement signal ni next device ki transfer aina cheyali, or acknowledgement signal will be blocked by that device. Okay, the INTR signal must be transferred to the next device or the acknowledgement signal must be blocked by that device. Okay, when the signal must be blocked and when the signal must be transferred to the next device. ద అక్నాలెడ్జ్మెంట్ సిగ్నల్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు బ్లాక్ చేయాలి, ఎప్పుడు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, when the acknowledgement signal will be blocked and when the acknowledgement signal will be transferred to next device. Okay, so the acknowledgement signal received by the device 1, last point, the acknowledgement signal is received by device 1. First device ki acknowledgement signal అనేది వస్తుంది. Here the acknowledgement signal is received by the interrupt the device 1. If the device is one not need service, and if the device is not requesting the interrupt signal, then it passes the signal to the next device. ఆ డివైస్ ఫస్ట్ డివైస్ కనుక ఇంటర్ప్ట్ పంపిస్తే దాన్ని బ్లాక్ చేస్తుంది. అది ఇంటర్ప్ట్ పంపలేదు అనుకోండి, ద డివైస్ 1 is not interrupting the processor, then the signal must be transferred to second device. Okay, that is the case of interrupt acknowledgement signal. If the device is sending interrupt signal, then the signal must be blocked by that device. Acknowledgement signal will be blocked by that device because the device is sending interrupt signal. If the device is not sending interrupt signal, then the signal is transferred to next device. Okay, let us take the device is sending interrupt signal processor. Then INTR will be 0 and will be activated by the INTR. The processor knows interrupt will be occurred, and then in reply it activates the INTA signal and it will be activated and send it to the first device, and the acknowledgement signal is sent to the first device received by device 1. If the device does not need service and if the device is not requesting the interrupt signal, the signal is passes the signal to the device 2. Device 1 interrupt పంపించలేదు కాబట్టి the signal ఏమవుతుంది, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ సెకండ్ డివైస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది. And if the device second device is sending interrupt signal కాబట్టి the acknowledgement signal is blocked by the device 2 and the device 2 operation is performed by the processor. The device 2 యొక్క సర్వీస్ రొటీన్, ప్రింటర్ అయితే ప్రింటర్ సర్వీస్ రొటీన్, కీబోర్డ్ అయితే కీబోర్డ్ సర్వీస్ రొటీన్ is performed by the processor. Because device 2 is blocking the acknowledgement signal because the device 2 is sending interrupt signal to perform that routine. Device that is electrically closest to the processor has highest priority. ఏదైతే చైన్ లో దగ్గరగా ఉంటుంది ప్రాసెసర్కి దట్ is highest priority చెప్పండి ఇందాక, అండ్ లాస్ట్ వన్ మస్ట్ బి లీస్ట్ priority. చైన్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఉన్న డివైస్ హైయెస్ట్ priority, చైన్ లో లాస్ట్ ఉన్న డివైస్ లీస్ట్ priority. ఓకే, in this diagram we have connected the devices. If so many devices are there, if you want to connect so many devices there, have the 5 devices, and second channel will have 5 devices, and third channel will have here it is one channel. It is one channel, and they connected of 5 of no 5 or 10 devices, and similarly next channel we have connected of 5 or 10 devices. Similarly third channel, if more than the device have more, if the IO devices are more, we have to use more number of channels. Okay, this is channel 1, channel 2. We have used 2 or more channels if the devices are more number like 20 or 30, then 2 channels are used, and each channel will have its own interrupt request line, and each channel will have its own acknowledgement signal. First channel ki this is the INTR 1 is the interrupt request line. These devices are activated this signal. Okay. And INTA1 is the acknowledgement signal for the channel 1. Okay. And in the chain device, first device highest priority, last device is least priority. Similarly, the channels also will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 channels are there. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is last 50 channel. Here also, first channel highest priority. And last channel have least priority. Here, channel 1 highest priority and channel 2 least priority. Okay. Similarly, in the channel 2, the device 2 is sending the interrupt signal, and in the channel 5, the first device is sending the interrupt signal. Then which device is serviced? Channel 1 device 2 will be serviced first because channel 1 highest priority and channel 5 least priority. Kabatti, even though the device is first placed, channel 1 highest priority kabatti device 2 first service చేస్తుంది, and then this the channel 5 లో ఉన్న device 1 second. When IO device were organized into a priority structure, each device had its own interrupt request and acknowledgement line. Each channel will have interrupt request and acknowledgement line. When IO devices were organized in daisy chain fashion, the devices shared an interrupt request line and interrupt acknowledgement propagated to the devices. A combination of priority structure and daisy chain scheme is also used. Here, this is highest priority and this is least priority. Least priority. Channel 1 highest priority, channel 2 least priority. Okay. Devices are organized into groups. In channel 1, there are a group of devices. Similarly, channel 2 also a group of devices. Similarly, channel 3 also a group of devices. Each group assigned a different priority level. First group device channel 1 highest priority, and last group device channel 5 least priority. Other devices within a single group share an interrupt request line and are connected to form a daisy chain. Each group is connected in a daisy chain form. And these are channels. There are 5 channels.